Welcome to qnawire.
Factor 16x to the fourth power minus 25x squared y squared plus 9y to the fourth power fully by completing the square. We want to factor this expression by completing the square, so we need to manipulate it to include a perfect square trinomial in the form a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared, which can be factored as a plus or minus b squared. In these trinomials, a and b may be variables, constants, or products of variables and constants. In this example, if we take a squared to be 16x to the fourth power and b squared to be 9y to the fourth power, then our value of a is the square root of a squared, which is equal to 4x squared. And our value of b is the square root of b squared, which is equal to 3y squared. Then our middle term is equal to 2ab, or sometimes negative 2ab. 2ab comes out to 2 times 4x squared times 3y squared, which is 24x squared y squared. In our next step, we will introduce the 2ab term into the original expression, while also moving the negative 25x squared y squared term to the end. For any term we introduce into the expression, we must add the same term with the opposite sign. This way, we are effectively adding 0, which does not change the polynomial. In this case, the 0 gets added to the polynomial in the form of 24x squared y squared minus 24x squared y squared. Our expression with these new terms is 16x to the fourth power plus 24x squared y squared plus 9y to the fourth power minus 25x squared y squared minus 24x squared y squared. We can now factor the first three terms as a perfect square trinomial, giving us 4x squared plus 3y squared squared. Then we can combine the like terms, giving us negative 49x squared y squared. We now have a difference of squares, since the expression within the parentheses is being squared, and 49x squared y squared is a perfect square. Specifically, the square of 7xy, where a is in the first parentheses and b is in the second parentheses. Following the formula for factoring a difference of two squares, we get 4x squared plus 3y squared minus 7xy times 4x squared plus 3y squared plus 7xy. We then check whether the resulting polynomials within each set of parentheses can be factored. In this case, neither polynomial is fully factored yet. Using factoring by grouping, we find the full factorization of the first polynomial is 4x minus 3y times x minus y. And the full factorization of the second polynomial is 4x plus 3y times x plus y. Therefore, we have that 4x plus 3y times 4x minus 3y times x plus y times x minus y represents the full factorization of 16x to the fourth power minus 25x squared y squared plus 9y to the fourth power.